monsoon exposes absence of proper roads across two districts of Karbi Anglong. Man accuses own brother of attempting to grab his land in Bokajang. Two villages inside Jurikindeng stop illegal transfer of land. Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live News. You're with Julie Baby with the latest news of the day. Now let's look into the news in detail. Road has always been very instrumental in the development of human society, and rulers of every kingdom and nation had given great emphasis on construction of proper roads for its people. Karbi Anglong, being a hilly region, has been suffering due to lack of blacktop roads as the district continues to be neglected by the KAAC, state and central government. The PWD road at Rongagora and Rongmongvei, which was sanctioned during the times of the ASDC regime, has now taken the face of a paddy field. For the last many years, the condition of the road has worsened and people, particularly the residents of Dibia Kro, Bibia Pai and Rongtaro areas, are facing extreme difficulties in communication. Despite this, people have alleged that the present BJP government and the earlier Congress government did not take any step to improve the condition of the road.
La sotowar ke lake Rongmongvei block pen harongora chilengku na sotowar ke PWD towar arong aprang ke thoksek tanon ke kupisona
Bepar chuklam ji ning hang do sita me chuklam thek thedalo la son tak thak sikidam ke wang ka do ka beta me kiduk lapen kisung sinili tum si chak nang kok lo
Akai CM liram rohang bangsa me kecuning riji bangke la nilitum suseng nenta angkang along la nilitum Bibia Kro, Bibia Pai, Rongtara, Rongtomara tum nilitum pinang ansung gola sinang litum la tuwar putak nilitum pan.
For the people of Langlokso, the journey between Samilangso and their home is no less than an adventure journey. For them, no government has been kind enough to make road. Local people pointed out that political leaders remember them only during election and rallies because no one ever talked of their development. Thus, even after 69 years of attainment the autonomy, there is no good road, and concerned authorities continue neglecting it even after multiple reminders. For the people of Rongpi Oki, Rongpi Umdap, Chengbiri and Tirkim, existence is a great challenge as these villages do not have proper drinking water facility, and absence of good road makes their lives more miserable. These four villages falls under Rongkhang MP Horan Singh Bey's home constituency. Villagers alleged that the pathetic condition of road was due to the irregularities of contractor Bronson Timung, who secured the contract for a construction of road connecting these four villages with Dongkamakam. In summer, most of the natural water sources the locals depend upon are polluted, and in winter it always dries up. Thus, people are also pleading before the authority to make provision of good drinking water.
An arwe yang hota dan chit thing ka junong le lon tum ke che hu pen bu pe thang pe chu sok po la si dun bom lo ke bimar ta jat la si klang bom lo ani kan sta la so tak si so bimar pen sin tum ki sung nang ko anni nge no ne to war pini anta nge hota na je ding olo ta nang pa chun pi nge isu kun e pini ni len tum ke pe ja e pen pini ni si che pon nang lok lok lo.
On the other hand, heavy and incessant rain have caused landslide in the headquarter town of West Karbi Anglong, Hamren. The incident occurred near the Thoniram Rongpi statue point, near the veterinary office, and people have been wondering how it happened. Following this, people of the area have alleged that it was a direct result of some persons cutting earth from the hill without thinking about its impact. This landslide has created problems for commuters as the road has become slippery, posing huge risks to everyone passing through it. People have urged for immediate stop of cutting off the earth to prevent further incidents. Love Singh Terang from Rongmongvei, Bikram Kro from Diphu, Kabonmili Tisopi from Dongka, and Daniel Inghi from Hamren reporting Karbi Anglong Live. Frustrated with the absence of good road and the regular problem is communication, the people of Kabuli Ronghang village under number 14 Korkanthi MSC constituency has demanded for immediate construction of concrete road through Bonged Bay and Jeng Rongpi village and Pochim Doirak to Kabuli Ronghang village. According to the public, they have been suffering from very great inconveniences due to the absence of proper road. The prevailing rainy season has added to the problem as the road has become muddy and slippery. Students and emergency services face tough time passing through this road. Often the ambulance and vehicles transporting essentials get stuck. Residents say that the authorities have been informed multiple times about this road condition, but none has taken any step to improve the condition.
আমাৰ কণ শিশুসকল স্কুলৰ অহা যোৱাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত বহুত অসুবিধা দেখা পাইছোঁ। ইয়াত মানুহ খোজ কাঢ়িবলৈ বৰ অসুবিধা আৰু গাড়ী মটৰ অহাও অসুবিধা। 108 মাতিলেও ৰাস্তা বেয়া বুলি নাহে। গতিকে আমাৰ চৰকাৰৰ দায়িত্বত থকা বিষয়ববীয়াসকলক অতি শীঘ্ৰে এই ৰাস্তাটো যাতে নিৰ্মাণ কৰি দিব বাবে আমি সকলো ৰাইজে একত্ৰিত হৈ অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ।
nilito mane halasu ta pupik lo EMCM teman tu pulo tame halasu pen nilitum long dum de hadak be rong ten jeng rong pi direct 2 kilometer la sebeje la sotoa kapjin ben ang bunai pitha pusinitum tum hanta hang dum lo.
Villagers stated that they have seen good road made for their neighboring villages. They are happy for their neighboring villages, but depriving them of the same is really frustrating and extremely disappointed with the authority. Following this, the villagers have urged upon the local MEC Raju Tiso and KAAC Chief Tuliram Ronghang to look into the matter and end their years of suffering because of the poor road. Samsung T from Dongmuka, Karbi Anglong Live. Stay with us for more news after this break. MS Pangchol Stationery Humri Damra Langdamik Tha Labang Suakula Dalong Nanglitum Kerang Sora Hormuan Long Iji Lake Asonason Kecho Hormu Nangli Hemarlo Kapang Jangjia Pan Kenang Sora Hormu Lapen Kapre Kason Nanglitum Lopon Iji Humri Damlote Nanglitum Thek Longji Lasi Humri Damikha Pangcho Stationery. Ka Humri Dam nang Jadim Lake, Rongkhilan, Dipu Manja Road, Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Adu, Dipu, Karbi Anglong. Welcome back after the break. In one family controversy, one person named Dhanraj Prasad has accused his elder brother Bitu Prasad of trying to grab his land falling under Amrajan BOC under Bokajan police station. According to Dhanraj, after that of his father Shankar Prasad, the 5 kathas land left by him was divided equally among their 4 brothers into 1 katha and 5 lasses each. However, his eldest brother had been trying to take over the land owned by him through some illegal means since November 4, 2012. Dhanraj also said that he approached the Bokajan SDO office and the SDO Civil Dilip Terang for justice and settlement of the land issue. Following this, the matter went calm for some time, but Bitu and his son Sanjay Prasad did not surrender the land to Dhanraj.
हमारा नाम है धनराज प्रसाद। हमारा जो बीओसी के पास माटी है वो 4 भाई का बीच में बंटवारा तो हो गया है कि धनराज प्रसाद के बाद बीटू प्रसाद वाला बस्ती कब्जा कर रहा, नहीं छोड़ रहा, इसलिए हम ऐसा किया है सर। हम सब थाना में भी दिया था फर्स्ट के बाद में सिविल स्टोर के पास भी दिया था। सिविल स्टोर लिख के दिया थाना में, तो थाना वालों बाद में कोई अप्लाई नहीं दिए। हम दिया उनके पास तो पूछे हैं तो बोले कि कहाँ कागज़ भेजना है वहाँ हम भेज देंगे, यही बोले यार, और हमको छोड़ दिया।
Dhanraj Prasad told reporters that his eldest brother is currently frequenting revenue office at Dipu and alleged that he is trying to change the name of ownership of the land in the files at the revenue office. Following this, he sought the intervention of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and concerned Department for Justice. Anantirang from Bokojan, Karbi Anglong Live. In latest incident of forgery and impersonation, villagers of Durbin Tila and Muta inside Jurikindang in West Karbi Anglong district say that it would not allow illegal sale of land. This was informed during a public meeting was convened after the illegal sale of land by two persons from Jurikindang came to light. 60-year-old Krishna Sharma and 53-year-old Jeet Thapa, whom locals have high regards, turn out to be fraudster as they illegally sold 3 big houses of land in the border of Durbin Tila and Muta by claiming to be owner. The two men tricked the buyer by posing 75 years old Chandro Bahadur Ali as the true owner of the land before the buyer for its transfer. Locals quickly came to know of this news and immediately informed the SGB of Durbin Tila and Muta. Following this, a meeting was held on Sunday during which the two accused persons confessed to their illegal act and the two villagers stopped the land from being sold and transferred.
মই অন্যায় বুলি ভাবোঁ এইটোৱে চৰকাৰী গাঁওবিলাক সকলোক অৱগত কৰিবলৈ নিজৰে সীমাই যায় তেনেকৈতো ৰুল নহয় এটা আমি সংবিধান মতে ইয়াৰ চৰকাৰৰ কাউন্সিলৰ নিয়ম অনুসাৰে চলিব লাগে
la longle pata we pin ben ki yordi pojoine si pini la dak rat tingrum na koklo asila bang ke nilin ben ta chekroy dun thek the pusi rat panta pangrum lo ka chekroy dun thek the ang thek si asila bang nilin ben ke chekroy dun thek the la
Something tea from Jurikindang, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Stay safe.